Wow, see?
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. These guys, they love us.
They love all three.
Do they?
They know it's good.
There's still one over here.
Wow, see this.
See the world que na all three. No fear. This is where you see the
They're
real
just
stuff.
hanging out.
Look at this.
Those are huge.
No, these are the biggest dolphins. Well,
They're
orcas,
humongous.
killer whales are the biggest. But when it comes to these guys, between spinner dolphins, spotted dolphins, all kinds of stuff like that, these are the biggest.
They're big. Whoa. That's fun. There's one right there.
The whales are about to come out now. You see the dolphins kind of like playing at the same time on
They're
the
totally in
surface?
front of us.
These whales, when they're back in Alaska, I think they're going down on. Now we're going down here. And stopping the tail, depending on things like. Everywhere around the world, we call it or we name it humpback whales. But that's not the real name. Scientists and marine biologists decided to call it humpback whales. At the same time, they're going to freak at it. It looks like they have a giant hump in their bodies. But it's just their bodies going like that. They don't have a hump. So rich in fat. One more time diving. So here comes another rich. They're actually the second meal for them is important to have is oil. What oil? It's a special sardine that you have in California, British Columbia, or Alaska. It's known as sardine. It's a specific type of sardine. There's a lot of oil. That's what they eat. That's the footprints. That's what they got in the surface. Cross your fingers for the whole body out of the water. Hold. 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 No. Almost. So cool when they do that, man. You got no idea. When they come up with this in the side, and you can now see with their body touching the water and all, that's impressive, you know, like.
What did you say they weigh?
50 to 55 tons, the female. The male, this is a female, a male. This is a male. 40 to 45. Yeah. Females are bigger. And every 2 years, they have babies. Every 2 years. How can you tell? How can you tell? You can see the water. When the water shakes, it's kind of hard for you guys, but when the water shakes on right at the surface, it's just a good motion to go up. So, as she knows that we're here, now it's going to go for you. You can see the shot of her body, look. You hear that? The real name of these whales is known as Megaptera novaeglea. Mega is giant. Ptera is the spectrum of things. These are the only whales in the world with the biggest spectrum of things ever. And novaeglea means New England, the first country who named it like this. Listen to that breathing. Look at the tail. Yes. There's a big chance of another bridge on here. Get ready. I see. See? Amazing, huh? When was the last time you saw this? First time? First time? See, I know you got a good eyes, Captain. You saw it from like
Do it again.
No, no, I should not.